Hey there, welcome back. Hurricane Helene about to make landfall within the next few hours in the Florida Big Bend. The east side of Florida Panhandle has seen lots of impact with the storm already, and it hasn't even made landfall yet. They've seen lots of rain, lots of gusty wind because of these rain bands turning off the east side of that hurricane. They've been experiencing lots of impacts throughout the day. They're only going to experience more as the storm intensifies and makes its way toward landfall at around 10 p.m. tonight. Just 30 minutes ago, it was intensified to a Category 4 hurricane, 30-mile-an-hour winds. This is a big storm, and it's going to get bigger as it makes its way towards landfall, hitting the Tallahassee area around 10 p.m. It's going to make its way up inland to Georgia, and we can see that it's still a Category 2 as it makes its way further inland, and that only shows just how strong this storm really is. And when it hits Atlanta, it's going to be in between a Category 1 and a tropical depression, but that doesn't mean they're not going to be experiencing the gusty winds and the rainfall totals. They're still going to be experiencing that, and they say that Atlanta is a city within a forest, so those gusty winds are going to knock down all those trees, and it's going to make for lots of power outages for the Atlanta metro, which is not good for them because they are such a business-oriented place. But the storm is going to make its way up to Tennessee at around Friday afternoon into your early Saturday morning, turning into a depression. But that doesn't mean us in northeast Mississippi are not going to be experiencing the impacts from this storm. We're still going to be seeing rain, and we're still going to be seeing gusty winds. Now, the reason this storm intensified so greatly over a short period of time is because it traveled up to the Gulf of Mexico, interfering with these warm waters, fueling the engine that is Hurricane Helene, and it's only going to get stronger as it makes its way toward landfall. And these wind gusts are really going to show it. This is just Friday at 7 a.m. Atlanta seeing 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts. It's going to make its way up to Tennessee, and us in Starkville are going to be fluctuating into the mid and high upper 30s for our wind gusts. This is 37-mile wind gusts at Friday night. So lots of wind gusts, again, like I said, that we're going to be experiencing only here in northeast Mississippi, and it'll eventually stick with us as we go into Saturday, and we're still going to be seeing those wind gusts, 18-mile-an-hour wind gusts for your Saturday morning. It's going to be sticking with us, but for now, we're just seeing lots of pretty skies, lots of sunshine, temperatures hitting 79 degrees, and again, look at this beautiful sky. Not a cloud in sight, and we're going to be sticking like that as we go into the next few hours. Looking at our futurecast, not a lot of cloud coverage in Thursday at around 10 p.m., but that cloud coverage will start to build in Friday morning. We're just covered with that cloud coverage, and that rain will start to make its way to our viewing area. Areas like Houston, Tupelo, and Calhoun City are upper counties of our viewing area. Going to start seeing that rain a little bit quicker than us here in Starkville, but it will make its way eventually into our viewing area around Friday afternoon, seeing those spotty showers, and it's going to stick with us from Friday night. Then we'll see lots of cloud coverage at around 10 p.m. and then we'll see lots of cloud coverage for your Saturday, and I can't rule out a spotty shower or two for your Saturday night. But for the next few hours, we'll stay clear from that rain. 6 p.m. we're going to be seeing 77 degrees, and then 8 p.m. 72 degrees. We'll be seeing these clear skies, which will allow us to cool off drastically for your Thursday night. 61 is that overnight low, 61 also in Houston, 58 degrees in Calhoun City. So it's going to be a chilly night, and those chilly nights are going to stick with us as we go into the next 7 days. Rain chances will also stick with us into your weekend, but the start of next week looking perfect in the 80s and lots of sunshine.